In this video, we can see how to work with templates in Livresq. Templates are sections or project structures proposed by the Livresq team to be adapted and used by any user. They contain different types of resources and graphics that can be kept or modified by the user. Users can create their own templates to use according to the model proposed by Livresq. Templates can be viewed from the organizer, where on the left side you can see the Templates button. Double-clicking on any item on that page will see a preview of the section or project. After you decide which templates to use, press the duplicate button. The result is a copy of the desired section or project that you find in the main root of the organizer, pressing on the left the resource button. Now you can rename the duplicate item and you can move it to a working directory. With double click, you go into edit mode and you can add your own content. You can delete or modify existing items. If you imported a project, remember to change the table of contents, its title, and particular graphics and design elements. Section templates can also be used by inserting them into a section on your own. Here's how you do it. In the organizer, in the working directory, I create a new section to which I give a name. With double click, I go into edit mode and see that I already have a predefined line. I can delete it or I can keep it and add content. Next, I insert a template. To do this, I drag from the left side on the screen, in the section where I work, the icon from the templates menu. The organizer page opens, from which I choose what I want to insert. I can insert anything from simple resource previously made to sections made by me that are found in different directories, or a template. I choose the desired template, press the insert button, wait for it to load, and start editing by adding content or modifying the proposed structure as desired.